So, hi guys, good day everyone. My name is BSTER Technology. I'm the CEO of BSTER Graphics and Print. In this particular tutorial, I'll be teaching you the types of logo. Before we go into how to design logo, before I start teaching you how to design logo, we need to know the types of logos and how and when you will apply all of them. So first of all, before we go into types of logo, is good we know the definition of logo, or we know the meaning of logo. So a logo is a graphic design element, often including a name, symbol or trademark representing an organization or product. You understand? Logo is any graphic design element or icon that you can use to recognize a particular organization, brand or product. So having known the meaning of logo, we have we have up to 7 types of logo, and it should be very important we know the 7 types of logo. It will help us so that when we go into uh, logo design, or when you want to design a logo, you will know the particular logo you have to issue out for this particular brand or product. So now, the first type of logo we have is monogram logo. You understand? Monogram logo is an icon that consists letters or company brand initial. This come in form of a letter form, but sometimes it is being styled out of alphabet. It comes in an alphabet form, but sometimes it is being styled out of alphabet. As you can see, channel is a good example. Channel logo is a good example of monogram logo, and IBM also is a good example of monogram logo. Then the second type of logo we have is um, wordmark logo. Wordmark logo usually comes in a font based type. You understand? Wordmark logo is logo that is made up of word or letters, or is mainly made up of write-ups and um, how will I explain it to you so that you understand? But just see, as you can see, I have example of this categorised. Is a good example of wordmark logo. As you can see, it's only made up of um, typographies and letters. So the next logo we have here is, which is the third one, is pictorial symbols. Pictorial symbol does not contain any type of letter, font, or let me say any type of letter, font or word. Pictorial symbol does not contain it. So now, what pictorial symbol looks like is just an icon or symbol of an object. You understand? Just that is what pictorial symbols looks like. And apple is a good example of pictorial symbol logo. You understand? Is a graphic style logo that focus on the first thing that comes to your mind when you say the business name. You understand? Like when you say Apple, understand? You like when you look at the logo of Apple company. Once you hear Apple, you see the logo. You know that Apple company, their logo is just Apple. Something like Twitter, you can see a bird. You understand? So that is just it. Then the fourth one we have here is abstract logo. Abstract logo does not sometimes does not symbolize anything. Doesn't come in an alphabetic form or in an iconic form. It's just a created object from abstract thinking. Do you understand? So as you can see, this skin to glow is a typical example of abstract logo. As you can see, the drawing is just, you can't say that this is a particular design, and you can't say that this is a particular word. You understand? So it's just a design on its own created by the designer. You understand? Then the fifth one we have here is mascot logo. I can say that mascot logo is just an illustrated character from the thought of the designer or the owner of the brand. You understand? So the next logo we have here is combination logo. Combination type of logo is just a type of logo that is the combination of all these types of logo we listed at first. You understand? As you can see, this logo we have here, this take action now. As you can see, you can see, if you take a look at these two logos we have here, you can see the two logos we have here now. You can see typography, you can see symbol, you can see object, you can see icons in it. So it's just a combination of the five listed previous logo we mentioned. You understand? So when you combine five different types of logo, you get a combination type of logo. So the last but not the least, which is the seventh one, is emblem logo. This actually comes in form of badge or seal or crest. You understand? So this type of logo, you can use it for school badge, school logo, or you can crest it on your all these cloth crest or seal, or for something like seal stamp. So some of you know seal stamp. Seal stamp is a type of stamp that, okay, in our next class I'll show you seal stamp, but it's a type of stamp used by a company, understand, to create a mark on their product. Understand? Seal stamp doesn't use ink actually. It's used a hard gas to create the logo, or the logo on the stamp, on the product that you want to use it as stamp. So that is it. So in our next class I'll be teaching you how to make all these different types of logo. We are going to learn how to make all these different types of logo from the type 1 to the last one, which is the seventh one. So thank you very much for participating. If this video were so useful to you, please hit the subscription button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that anytime I drop any content you'll be able to get the notification. So subscribe and hit the um, notification bell, then like the video too. Thanks a lot. See you in the next class.